Hello everyone, this is Fiona. This is our lifting blade holder. Equipped with a 6-meter long cutting platform. With the coordinated movement of the X and Y axes, the machine supports multiple cutting modes to accommodate a wide range of materials and processing needs. Here is the pressure roller system, which is especially effective when cutting acoustic materials or lightweight substrates. It enhances material stability and ensures precise cutting results. On the left is the hard limit switch, and on the right is the soft limit switch. Both can be adjusted flexibly based on actual requirements to ensure safe and accurate operation. This component is the pressure regulator, used to adjust the tension of the wire blade. The recommended working range is between 0.3 and 0.4. Turning clockwise increases the tension, while counterclockwise decreases it. Although the tension can exceed this range when necessary, doing so may reduce the service life of the blade. The motor is located at the rear of the machine and is a critical part of the system. Special care must be taken to protect it during installation and maintenance. When manually raising or lowering the pressure roller, it's important to ensure there is no interference between the wire blade and the roller. Otherwise, the blade may break or the system could be damaged. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.